Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a 101 liter container that holds 2 kilograms of air at a temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. What is the pressure in the container? Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the pressure formula. P is equal to R multiplied by T divided by specific volume, which is the little v. So step 4, find the specific volume formula. Little v is equal to capital V divided by M. So the actual volume divided by mass. Step 5, find the specific volume. First, we convert the actual volume into meters cubed. So that's 101 liters divided by 1,000 gives us 0.101 meters cubed. And then we have 0.01 divided by 2 kilograms, we'll get 0.0505 meters cubed per kilogram. And that's your specific volume. Step 6, find the air gas constant. So this can be found in your table in your textbook, or you can Google search. Okay, and that's 0.2870 kilojoules per kilogram per Kelvin. Step 7, find the pressure. So the specific volume is found in step 5, and the gas constant is found in step 6. So step 5 and step 6 for the respective values. We're gonna convert our temperature from 28 degrees to Kelvin by adding 273. So it becomes 301 Kelvin. And now we just plug and play. So our air gas constant multiplied by the absolute temperature divided by the specific volume, we'll get 1710.6 kPa, and that is the pressure inside the container. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can save this video by using snipping tool. If you never used the snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording. And then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.